to my channel. This is Mega iTech Systems, and you are on to Learn with Eisen Benzi. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do press the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to see it. And also, please do like and share this video. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can separate voice, vocals, instrument from a particular song. If you have a music and you just want to use the instrumental, you just want to use the instrumental, I'm going to teach you how you can get the instrumental. You can separate the instrumental from the vocals and also the bass and the whatever. All right. So what you do is to add on to your Google and uh, type vocal remover. So the one you're using, the website you are going to use is this particular website, vocalremover.com. So you click on this particular website and it takes you to this platform. So what you do is click on and make sure that you already have your MP3 that you want to separate. All right, let's quickly add on to my folder so I can show you the song I want to separate. Right, I want to separate this particular song. Let me play so that you can hear it. All right, you hear that? So this is the song that we want to separate. You see that everything is the instrumental, the vocals, and everything. They are there. So we want to separate the vocals from the instrument. So we'll add on to this particular website. So we click on this to select the song you want to separate. So you go to the folder where you have your song. This is a particular song we played just now that we want to separate. So I'll click on it and click open. So we allow it to upload. So after it upload, it will automatically convert this song and separate it. Right, as you can see, you see the various separation. We have vocals, we have instrumentals, we have the bass, we have the drums, and we have others. So this is the original. So depending on what you want, the one that you want, if you want to use the vocals, so for me, I'm going to download everything. I need the vocals. I'll download the vocals. I need the instrumentals. I need the bass. I need the drum. If you're a drummer, I just want to know the beat or learn a bit of the song. After separation, you just download the drums. So everything has been downloaded. So I'll go to the folder. So as you can see, so we have them here. We have them here. As you can see, we just downloaded the instrumental. This is the instrumental for the song. Alright guys, if you have gained value on this tutorial, please do like and share this video so that others can also learn from it.